If you want to receive crisis and emergency alert notifications on X, formerly Twitter, this quick guide will show you exactly where to turn them on. This is useful if you want to stay informed about urgent safety updates, weather emergencies, public alerts, or other critical notifications right inside the app. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Let's get started. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. Click on More to open the additional menu options. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage your account preferences, privacy controls, and notification settings. Next, click on Notifications. On this screen, you'll see different notification categories that control what X can send to your device and account. Now click on Preferences. This section lets you customize how notifications behave, including push alerts. After that, click on Push Notifications. Here you can manage the alerts that appear on your phone in real time. Find the option for Crisis and Emergency Alerts and toggle it on. Once it's enabled, X will be able to send you emergency-related push notifications when needed. That's all you need to do. Now your Crisis and Emergency Alerts notifications are turned on in X, so you can stay updated when urgent information is available. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications so you never miss the next guide.